water barrel? The barrel means tank, you know. I told that day barrel means tank in which you store the water. And that in the water barrel part 1, what you learn? That lesson? You learn that a boy named David, he lived with his parent, and one thing I hope the payday was a servant there, because he helped for making the house for them, and they all, and also he lived outside of the house, and they are grazing with the cattle. And what happened? One day the father and mother leave for the war to enjoy that day. And David also planned for that day to make that day very beautiful and cool and enjoy together. But what happened? That morning mom said that today we are, I and your father is in leave. And when she saw the barrel, that tank, there is no water. So she told to the David, at first you store the water, bring water and store the water in that tank. And father also said, yes beta, today leave, but as soon as you start your any work, any other work, at first you should bring the water from river and fulfill that tank. Then after, whatever you want to do, that you can do. But when David go to see in the barrel how much water into the barrel, they see into the water when leaned, word आया है ना, leaned down, ऐसे पैर पे खड़े होने को बोलते हैं, अंगूठे के बल पे, उंगली के बल पे आप लोग खड़े होते हो ना, उसको बोलते हैं. तो वो ऐसे झुक करके उसमें देखा, तो there was no water, very less water, and he can't touch by the tip of his finger. होता है ना, कभी आप जाते हो तो झुक कर देखते हो, कुछ नीचा चीज गहरा चीज है, ऐसे हाथ हम लोग झुका कर देखते हैं, तो उसके जो है ये टिप ऑफ द फिंगर मीन्स ये जो सब किनारा उंगली का, वो भी वो नहीं टच कर पा रहा था. That's why he become very fed up, he become very sad. Even though he was a strong boy and he become tired. वो थकता नहीं था, बहुत स्ट्रांग था, बहुत फुर्तीला था, एक्टिव था. But after seeing there is no water, there is very less water, and I have to fulfill this water necessarily. So he become some upset, and he वो जो है जो that he planned for that morning, they all ruined. वो सब जो है बेकार हो गए. So then after he go for the river and for bringing the water. Without water, you know कि no any work you should do ना. कोई भी work इसके बिना, water के बिना आप कोई काम कर ही नहीं पाओगे. You will not do. So that's why he go for the bring water, and he some upset. He वो जो है पहले बोला भी था, when his mother ordered to bring the water, he said that no mom, today I want to play, I want to go the back side of house, and there I play with cattle and help the petting. But mother said no means no. He firmly said no means जोर देके कहा, कन्फर्मली बोला कि नहीं, मतलब you should be do, तुमको करना ही चाहिए, करना ही होगा, you will be do this. And in this part second, the water barrel part second, now we start activity number 8. That was activity number 7, I think. Activity number 6, and then after we take the activity number 7, some questions answer, and now the activity number 8. So see in your book, the page number 24, the water barrel part 2. David got the bucket and walked down the back with the full bucket, once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5. David got the bucket, David ने bucket लिया and walked down the back. Walk down मतलब चला गया back, पीछे चला गया पीछे with the full bucket. वो with the full bucket पानी भर के लाया, 1 बार, once, 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 बार, 5 बार वो लाते गया. He could see Pete the hired man down in the sheep pasture. Pasture means that grazing area back side of the house. He could see, वो देख सकता था पेटे को. He could see Pete the hired man, वो देख सकता था पेटे को. पेटे कौन थे? The hired man. I told ना कि like servant, so hired man वो पैसा देके जिसको रखते हैं. Hired man down in the sheep pasture. वो गिरे हुए हैं, वो जहाँ पे sheep के रहने की जगह थी वहाँ पे वो गिरे हुए हैं. I wonder, वो आश्चर्यचकित हो गया. He strange. Wouldn't it work just as well if I finished carrying water this afternoon? He thought. Wouldn't it work? मतलब क्या ये नहीं काम करेगा, क्या ये काम नहीं करेगा, जैसा कि just as well मतलब अच्छा होते हुए भी. If I finished, यदि मैं फिनिश कर देता हूँ ये वाटर भरने का काम this afternoon, he thought कि क्या ये काम नहीं करेगा पहले की तरह, as well मतलब पहले की तरह. What difference does it make as long as I get it done? What difference does it make? मतलब क्या इसमें विभिन्नताएं, ये विभिन्नता पैदा करेगा as long as I get it done, जब तक कि मैं ये भर लूँ, मैं भर लूँ तो ये कुछ अलग होगा क्या. He started down the path to Pete, but suddenly he remembered the last time mother and father had gone to the town. He started down the path to Pete. जो पेटे का जो जगह थी रहने की वो थोड़ा डाउन में था कहने का मतलब. तो he started down the path to Pete, वो पेटे के रास्ते में चलने लगा, वो थोड़ा नीचे की तरफ था. But suddenly अचानक क्या हुआ? He remembered the last time mother and father had gone to town. Last time जो उसके पेरेंट्स हैं वो वहाँ टाउन गए हुए थे. David had promised to fill the barrel for the Monday washing, and David ने प्रॉमिस किया था कि मैं पानी भर दूंगा मंडे मॉर्निंग के लिए. बट डेविड डिडंट डू इट, लेकिन डेविड ने ऐसा नहीं किया था, वो उधर चला गया बेटे के पास. दैट्स व्हाई ऑन मंडे देयर वाज नो वाटर टू वॉश देयर क्लोथ्स. देन व्हाट हैपेंड? ऑन मंडे दे सी कि देयर इज नो वाटर फॉर वॉश द क्लोथ्स or any work. If you have no water, then what you to do? Not any work you will do without water. You make the food with water, you wash the clothes with water, you take bath, you drink, the all thing without water. Not it is जो है ये not कुछ भी संभव नहीं है. Then David turned back to the house. वो अपने घर लौट आया. 5 more buckets and I will call it enough. 5 बकेट और 5 बाल्टी जो है वो और पानी भरा and I will call it enough, और मैं बोलूँगा कि अब बहुत हो गया. He said, अब मैं बोलूँगा कि अब बहुत हो गया. पहले भी उसने भर लिया है और then after he also bring the 5 bucket of full of water and then he think कि I am going to tell him that it is enough. अब ये बहुत हो गया. 1 bucket, 2 bucket, 3, 4. The sun was getting very hot. वो पानी भर रहा था, नदी जा रहा था. He was going to river and then he pulled the full of bucket. He come and poured it into that tank and again he go to for river. So ये this जो है वो 4-5 बार कर लिया, बहुत बार. 2 bucket, 3 bucket, 4 bucket and डैश है यानी करता ही जा रहा था. 4, 5, 6 जितना भी बहुत बार करता गया. एंड सन वॉज गेटिंग वेरी हॉट. क्या हुआ, बढ़ते बढ़ते आ रहा है जा रहा है, आ रहा है जा रहा है, तो सन जो है हॉट, दिन चढ़ गए कहने का मतलब, और टेम्परेचर हाई हो गया, गर्मी आ गई. 5 एट लास्ट. 5 बाल्टी वो लास्ट में 5 भरा. अगेन ही क्लाइंब्ड द स्टेप्स एंड लीन्ड ओवर द ब्रिम. अगेन ही क्लाइंब्ड द स्टेप्स, वो जो लैडर उसका लगा हुआ था उस पर अगेन वो चढ़ा, उतना भरने के बाद कितना पानी है देखूं. और देन लीन्ड ओवर द ब्रिम, वो फिर ऐसे लीन्ड ओवर मतलब ऐसे करके झुका उस पे ब्रिम पे. द बैरल वाज ओनली हाफ फुल. इतना भरने के बावजूद, इन स्पाइट ऑफ द pouring the water more so many buckets, there was only half full of tank. वो टैंक जो है काफी भरा था. डेविड was hungry and tired and then David feels hunger and they become tired. वो एकदम थक गया और भूखा था. 2 more and I am through. 2 बाल्टी और भरा, उसके बाद वो रुक गया. He picked up the bucket, but on his way to the river he had a thought. 2 more and I am through मतलब 2 बाल्टी और भरा और I am through मतलब उसी पाथ पे, उसी रास्ते पे वो आना जाना कर रहा था, मतलब भर ही रहा था. He picked up the bucket, उसने बाल्टी उठाया, but on his way to the river he had a thought. but बाल्टी उठा के फिर वो चल रहा था, जा रहा था, तो on the river, on the way of river, जब वो जा रहा था रिवर की तरफ, he had a thought, उसे became one idea in his mind. Wouldn't it would be fun to surprise mother and father? क्या ये wouldn't it would be fun, क्या ये मजाक नहीं होगा, ये सरप्राइज होगा, क्या ये फन टू सरप्राइज, क्या ये आश्चर्य की बात होगी पापा और मॉम के लिए. टू फिल द ओल्ड बैरल वंस रियली entirely full. To fill the old barrel once really entirely full. The old barrel, जो पुराना बैरल था, उनका टैंक था, उसको really, उसको वास्तव में, really means वास्तव में, indeed entirely full, वो पूरा भर चुका था. entirely मतलब entire मतलब संपूर्ण, पूरा, तो पूरा वो फुल था, फुल कर दिया जाए. Wouldn't it be fun if he did not have to carry water for days and days because the work was already done? अब wouldn't it be fun? क्या ये फन नहीं होगा, क्या ये मजाक नहीं होगा? If he did not have to carry, अगर वो नहीं लाता था water for days because the work was already done, क्योंकि वो पानी जो है भरा का भरा ही हुआ है, तो वो अगर पानी नहीं लाए तो क्या ये the river with fresh energy, and then he suddenly ran down. वो वहाँ पे दौड़ गया, नदी में चला गया, to the river with fresh energy. उसके पास वो एनर्जी आ गई, उसके पास फ्रेशनेस आ गया, एक enthusiasm आ गया. One bucket, it slopped over the weight his shoes a little. एक बकेट में क्या होगा? It slopped over, ये स्लिप का पार्टिसिपल हो गया, slopped over and wet his shoes a little. एक बाल्टी में क्या हुआ? slop मतलब थोड़ा सा पानी छलक जाना, पानी छलक गया, और wet his shoes little मतलब थोड़ा सा उसका जूता भीग गया, थोड़ा पानी छलक के गिर गया तो उसके थोड़े से जूते भीग गए. 2 buckets. It certainly was getting very heavy. 2 bucket जब उसने उठाया तो it certainly getting very heavy. 2 bucket जब उठाने पे उसे ये निश्चित ही मतलब indeed he feel very heavy. 3 buckets. That times he stepped over the step and slipped the water all over himself. Well, at least it cooled him off. That time मतलब जब 3rd bucket he is carrying, he stepped over the step. उसके पैर थोड़े से स्लिप हो गए, फिसल गए, and the water all over himself. सारे पानी जो है उसके ऊपर आ गए, उसके पैर फिसल गए और पानी गिर के उसके ऊपर आ गए. Well, at least it cooled him off. मतलब कम से कम, at least मतलब कम से कम वो cooled him off, वो अपने आप को ठंडा, उसको जो है ठंडा कर दिया डेविड को. पानी गिर गए because it was hot. The sun came and when he slipped, the all water जो है come over himself and at least it make him cool. उसे ठंडा कर दिया. 4 buckets. पेटे called to him. 4 buckets में पेटे called to him. पेटे उसे बुलाया. Come on down here with me, boy. So जब चौथा बकेट ला रहा था तो पेटे ने उसे आवाज लगाई कि come on boy, कि come David, here come and sit with me or play with me or help me, boy. But David only answered shortly, I am busy. But David ने कम शब्दों में उसे जवाब दिया कि I am busy, मैं बिजी हूँ, मैं भी काम कर रहा हूँ, I am doing some work. 5 buckets. Now when he poured the water in the barrel, it didn't make much splashing noise. Now when he poured the water in the barrel, जब 5वां बाल्टी पानी लाया और उसने बैरल में डाला, poured into, pour मतलब डालना, भरना, तो वो टैंक में डाला, it didn't make much splashing noise. It didn't make मतलब इसलिए तब जब पानी कम रहेगा आप डालोगे तो वो एक आवाज आती है, स्प्लैशिंग आवाज, मतलब उसको भरने की आवाज जैसा. और अगर पानी भरा हुआ है तो it didn't make much splashing noise, वो वहाँ पे कोई आवाज नहीं थी. It was almost full, तो आवाज नहीं आती कब? जब भरा हुआ पानी धीरे से डालेंगे तो आवाज नहीं आई. तो that's why we know the barrel is full now. 6th bucket, David poured very slowly. 6ठा बाल्टी जब लाया तो वो very slowly उसमें he poured there, looking over the edge. Close to his face was the black shadow of his own head. उसके फेस के जो वहाँ पे है क्लोज शैडो बना, ब्लैक शैडो ऑफ हिज ओन हेड, उसके सर के जो है ब्लैक वो शैडो वहाँ पे बने. एंड देन जस्ट लाइक दैट द बैरल वाज फुल टू द ब्रिम. एंड देन जस्ट वो जब नजदीक था पानी तो उसके फेस के So he come to know that the barrel was full now, and the full to the brim. Brim मतलब वही प्रतिबिंब बनना, प्रतिबिंब बन रहे हैं. Whoopee, yelled David. मतलब कि वो खुश हो गया. Whoopee वो खुशी मनाने लगा. He became very happy कि डेविड ने ये कर दिखाया. He ran down to tell Pete, leaping madly and shouting with joy. He ran down to tell Pete. Then after he ran and go to the Pete to for telling that I have done it, and shouting with joy, and he shouted with the joy. He became very happy. Guess how many buckets I carried? बोल रहे 6 ना. Guess how many buckets I carried? Bet you can't guess. But it's all filled up. But you can't guess.